Check, check. Is the mic on? Okay, phone is back to normal. Hey guys, normally I don't post videos like this, but I felt it's a subject necessary to be talked about. So I just about 3 hours ago I came back from the supermarket. Before I went into the supermarket,
you're broke! You're fucking poor!
okay? So before I went into the supermarket, there was a guy that approached me. Very friendly.
You're broke!
Fuck off. Very friendly. But he asked me so that I can buy bread and milk for him to eat. So without even asking why or any questions, I just said I will because it's a good thing to do. So when I came back, I bought him a couple of groceries. So I don't have a fucking big salary, but I think it's in the right mind, and God wants us to help each other. So while we were talking, he said he got robbed. He's a homeless man and he got robbed. How fucking pathetic. Are you fucking bitch asses? Fucking prey on the weak. He said he was looking for a job for a long fucking time. Everybody just keeps taking his number and never fucking ever getting him a job. Now he asked me for a fucking job. I said I'll see what I can do. I asked him for his number. He said he don't have a phone anymore because they robbed him. So fuck. Video limit. I will make a part 2 also. So I asked him where does he stay? Where is he at? He said in a day he sat at a store.